Hi, my name is Pranit Chitiala. I welcome you to the demo of the delivery management system web app we created using MERN stack. Now we'll take you through the demo of our web application. Right now you're looking at the home screen of our app, and let's start with the sign up. So we have three accounts available. One is customer, driver, and manager. But to sign up as driver or manager, you should have already have approval from one of the managers in our team. So let's only sign up for customer for now. So as soon as you start entering the password, it will check whether the required constraints have been met or not. Once you have signed up, you will be again directed to the login page, and this is where you log in. I'm trying to log in with the same account which I created now. So once you enter your password, you'll be getting an OTP from Android. So this is a welcome email once you got signed up, and this is the OTP. And here you go. This is where once a customer has been logged in, he or she will be moved to the homepage with their name, username visible out there. Now let's try and place order so that after placing order, we can go to the customer home and see if the order placed has been updated in the customer home. Let's go to place order. I'm just selecting the available addresses for now. So here, whenever you are placing an order, you need from address, to address, and size of the product, whether it's small, medium, or large. Let's go with large and LBs, and whether you want a priority delivery or a normal delivery, if you choose priority. And once all this, the required fields are met, the get quotation field will be activated, and you will have the get quotation for our top three providers over here. And depending on your selections of delivery product and addresses, we will have the best pick service with our previous experience with these three services. And we suggest with FedEx, but for some reason, if you want to go with anything, any other of the providers, you can always do that. Let's say you're going with UPS priority. Just select whatever you want to go, and your selection will be visible here with the total cost. And once you do the pay now, you'll get the pay. You'll be redirected to the PayPal page. Yes. And you see the same amount over there where UPS was charging $34 over here. And as soon as you pay it, you will be redirected to the customer's homepage, where in customer's homepage, you can track all your past orders. So this is your order tracking ID, your email, from address to address. As no driver and order status has been updated, you can't see any status updates for now. You'll also get an email from us once the order is placed with the invoice of the amount and the tracking ID for future use. Now, as the order is placed, let's log in back as a manager and assign a driver to a particular order. Logging out and signing in as manager. For the OTP. Here you go. Once you are signed into the manager, again, you will be redirected to the home page, and from there you can go to manager's home. And manager's home, you'll have 4 different views. One is where you will have the total customer base. Every customer base you will be seeing over here. So this icon which we just created. And you'll also have the driver base where you will see all the available driver details. As we have initially said, to become a driver, you should be having the permission from any of the managers. So this is the form where managers will be giving access once they enter any email ID and they say add driver, the driver will be granted access. And this driver, now a person can sign up as driver using this email ID. And the same goes with manager. As we work in the cohort model, every manager can see other managers within the team, and any manager can add a new manager. And next you go to view orders. This is where you will be able to see all the orders. So all the orders that have been placed till now. So for the present order which was placed, let's update the order status and let's assign a driver. So I'm assigning the driver to that order, and I'll keep the status as driver assigned. And I won't update the location. Maybe once the driver picks up the cart, then he or she can update the location. update order, and now you see order has been updated. Once, if you're able to go to the particular order 978, you see the driver has been updated for the order. Now I'm logging out, and maybe I'll be logging as driver, and I'll be updating location for that particular order. So as soon as you log in as a driver, you will be having maps available to you, and also track order, and also your homepage. Once you go to the homepage, you'll be able to see all the orders that have been assigned to the driver. If you notice this order, which we just got placed by from this email ID, this from address to address, this is your email ID and driver assigned. Now let's say you want to update the present status of the order. We'll keep the tracking ID here, and let's say it is in transit, or let's say it is out for delivery. And let's say it is in Dallas, Texas, as it is from Bloomington to Dallas, Richardson. Let's say the order is in Dallas, Texas, and update the order details. The order details have been updated to Dallas, Texas, and now you will be able to track the order with these details. There is one other view for driver, where driver can go to the map and give the tracking ID which he wants to pick up and deliver. So once you add the tracking ID and select the location, you will know from which door number and which exact address you will pick up and where you deliver, and then distance between the two addresses. And you will see able to use the Google Maps. Driver will be able to use the Google Maps to navigate. And this is where it goes. And let's log out from driver. To track order, you no need to sign up as login as customer. Track order is an open page. Anyone and everyone can track the order. Now, if you just give the tracking number and track order, it has been updated to out for delivery, and the expected delivery is May 1st. And the present status of the driver is at Dallas. Your package is at Dallas. So this is a total workflow. Maybe let me sign back as driver once again. And we also have a chat feature where everyone can chat with each other, drivers, managers, and the customer. Once you go to the chat, let's say you want to let the customer know that you are coming for the delivery. Just type either email ID or username, whatever you remember from the customer. And once you select it, the customer will be available here. And once the message has been placed, if you can log in as the customer again, and you can just check the message. You go to the chat and you see the message from the driver, and right away reply to the message. So this is a total features once you sign up. So even without signing up or having an account with us, we will allow you to place an order, but we will have an extra fee if you're not signed up, so that we can send you your invoice and everything. So email is mandatory once if you're not signed up, and you can always track the order even if you don't need to sign up. And these two are available for public view also. And one other thing in chat we implemented is a manager can create group, he can add users and delete users and such for everyone. Just quickly go through the last feature. So once you go to the chat, manager can create a group, final, and you can add people to it. Let's create a group with create group. the group has been created, and the manager can add or delete people from the group, rename the group. So all these features are only available to the manager. Yeah, this is the total end-to-end features that we have implemented. We have login, sign-up authentications, and individual landing pages and individual views, maps implemented in map and track order. We have payment portal implemented. We have chat implemented, and these are the complete set of package that our product delivers to you. And thank you very much from our end.